Hi guys, so today we are diving into the aromatic world of Central Asian cuisine with a truly special dish, beef Yakhni Pulao. This recipe is a symphony of flavors where tender beef is slow cooked in a flavorful broth known as Yakhni and then cooked with fragrant long grain rice and aromatic spices. The result is a rich and comforting pulao that's perfect for any occasion. Get ready for a culinary journey into the heart of Central Asia. This recipe is perfect for family gathering or anytime you want to impress your guest with a truly authentic dish. I'll guide you through every step from preparing the yakhni and making the perfect pulao. And please do subscribe to the channel and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin. So first in a pan add 600 grams beef cut in medium pieces. Add 2-inch ginger roughly cut, 4 garlic cloves, 1 onion chopped. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 black cardamom, 6 cloves, 2 bay leaves, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 1 maize spice, 1 star anise, and 6 cups of water. And allow it to cook. Cover it and cook it until the beef is nice and soft. It should take about 30 minutes to cook. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the beef is nice and soft. Then simply remove the beef pieces in a separate bowl. Try and remove just the meat and not the spices. Don't worry if you miss some, as we are going to strain the stock. Try and remove as much as you can. Then simply strain the beef stock. As you can see that the beef pieces are still in the stock. Now it is time to remove it and put it in a separate bowl. Then leave the beef stock aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 green cardamom, 2 bay leaves, 4 garlic chopped, 2-inch ginger chopped, 4 green chilies, and fry it for few seconds. Then add 2 onion chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 2 tomatoes chopped and fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add the cooked beef and fry it for about 2 minutes. Let the beef nicely cook with the onion, garlic and tomatoes. Then add half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, half cup yogurt and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let all the spices nicely cook with the beef and yogurt. Then add 3 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for about 20 minutes and then simply fry the rice for 2 minutes. Then add the beef stock which was previously made. Add 6 stock cubes. Add some salt to taste and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the rice is 80% cooked. As you can see that there is still some water remaining. Then gently mix the rice. Then add half cup chopped coriander leaves and give it a gentle mix. At this point, if it needs little more water, then you can add it. Then reduce the flame to low and cover it and cook it until the rice is fully cooked. So the beef yakhni pulao is ready. As you can see that the rice is perfectly cooked. Then give it a gentle mix and rest it for about 10 to 15 minutes and then serve it. As you can see that the rice is nice and fluffy and the beef is perfectly cooked. Make sure you use a good quality basmati rice for the perfect results like this. And there you have it guys, a truly aromatic and satisfying beef yakhni pulao. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how your pulao turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more flavorful and authentic recipes. I hope you enjoyed this culinary journey to the Central Asia as much as I enjoyed sharing this recipe with you. This beef yakhni pulao is a dish that's perfect for bringing people together. I hope you'll try this recipe at home and create your own memorable meal. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please do subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.